So I recently learned about this website Monero.eco, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it was a good resource to see what projects are out there that are used and trusted by the Monero community. When you go onto Monero.eco, this is generally what you'll see. So it's a lot of different icons, but the commonality among all of them is Monero. You can also click on each icon and it'll take you to the project to learn more about it. It's just a great way to also answer some super simple questions. For example, a lot of people ask, like, what are some recommended wallets for Monero? Now there's cold wallets, hot wallets, hardware wallets. So really it's just knowing the difference among these wallets. So its main difference is really how the keys are stored. So in a hot wallet, they're stored locally, whereas cold wallets and hardware wallets, they're stored offline. And hardware wallet has like a physical device that kind of proves that you have ownership of that private key. So anyway, I haven't used all of these myself, but having a visual list of them is helpful in knowing what else is out there. Another question people most frequently ask is like how to get Monero, how to buy or exchange it. We have decentralized and centralized exchanges, and the main difference is really like for centralized exchange, there's like someone controlling the trades, like a company, but most of these require KYC. So that stands for Know Your Customer, and that's when they require that you submit an ID to them. Now, decentralized exchanges generally don't require KYC, can be direct, like peer-to-peer exchanges. For example, we have atomic swaps between Bitcoin and Monero. Now, I'm going to be doing future guides on these as I think not a lot of information on this is super user-friendly, so more on that in the future. There's also how to mine Monero, so I'll show you like what program you need, like XMRig. There's P2Pool, there's Kupox now as well. Another question people ask is like where to buy things with Monero. So unfortunately, Monero Market shut down earlier this year, but we still have XMR Bazaar, which is a great place to buy and sell things with Monero. So when I asked the creator what was their purpose in making this website, they said the following. And I do believe that this website does a great job at that. It not only answers the questions that I just went over, but it also looks more into different projects within Monero. So like there's dedicated news for Monero, there's like a dedicated forum for Monero, like Monero Town. There's IRL events, there's informational guides, there's all this information on Monero encapsulated in one website, and it's also updated regularly. So if you follow Schmidt on Twitter/X, they post updates to the website, like what was added recently and stuff. Anyway, I wanted to keep this video short, so just found this website useful. I know I'll definitely be looking more into some of these projects as I make future guides. Thank you and have a great day.